Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kawai nag Skul ba balapau jong gajala Assam ka Assam Don Bosco University mentakas ni dakajing sarong kalapalong ya ka program ka bakarpang ban Pynkup Burom ya uway uriyo pro jabing but uriyo syampang bapau nam kajala u Professor David R. Syiemlieh hakajing ilang kabalapalong hapo katay ka Skul ba kabadon ha Sonapur. Ha kanigas ni lawan banya don ringkat lang da Father Jos Paleli u Vice Chancellor ke ADBU u Father Bivan Mukhim u Vice Provincial lembat kiwe de ki Professor jang ka Skul ba nalor kiwe de ki nong hikai na kiwe ki Skul ba bat ki khna Habakran ha kanigas ni u Father Jos Paleli ulapan pau ya ka jing sokmen ka bakraw bakum ka Skul ba kalayo ban Pynkup Burom ya uwe u Rio Stad u Rio Pro Jabiang ka jela ubalayo ru ya ka khusnam Padma Shri na ka President Jongkari India ka Draupadi Murmur menta usnem araja apusan halor ki sinyang ki jong u ban kentiau ya ka tho ka tarbat ka pule puthi u Father Jos Paleli ha ka nikasni ulay thu khana lingkat ru halor ka jingya linti ka jong u Professor David R. Syiemlieh bat penpau bawat hadian ba u riu syampang ulayo banbat yabun ki kerdan ki bahe bat wat ya ka kerdan chairman jong ka Union Public Service Commission Henry Day ubrio ubale red bat ubatre hok ya la ka kam ban kintiyo ya ka puli puthi bat ka tho katar na kalyang u Professor David R. Syiemlieh bat ha ka jingkran ka jong u ulapan paw ka jing skongu e ka Skul ba ADBU kabalakan mau bat Pynkup Burom ya u ha ka nikasni bat ai khublai ru ya baro ki bayadon benta bat u ha ka ni ka jingya linti bakenthop na do ka Skul ba North Eastern Hills University ka Rajiv Gandhi University bat kiwe de ki Rio Stad Rio Syampang ki balayarap ban pelong ya u kumba ulong benta.
As the government of India recognizes your immense contribution in the field of literature and education by conferring upon you a Padma Shri award, we, the Don Bosco University family, are fortunate to have you as a member of the Board of Management since the year 2020 and are proud to have been on the receiving end of your intellectual and passionate guidance as we march ahead to make positive changes in the lives of young men and women in this corner of India. Your love and contribution for our university will always linger on our minds. Assam Don Bosco University, 10th May 2025.
The teaching fraternity, the students, and the Board of Management of Assam Don Bosco University, to Professor David R. Syiemlieh, a distinguished member of our board and a beacon of scholarly excellence, for being honored with the Padma Shri Award in the field of literature and education. It is a sound source. It is with great source of pride for Assam Don Bosco University that Professor David Syiemlieh has been serving as a valued member of our Board of Management for over 5 years. His wisdom, integrity, and thoughtful guidance have enriched our university in countless ways, shaping policies, mentoring leadership, and helping us root our mission in academic excellence and social relevance. His presence in our board has not only brought us prestige, but has also challenged us to strive for higher ideals in education and service. As a university, we cannot but thank God for the gift of Professor Syiemlieh, a man of letters, a man of depth, a man above all who is quiet, enduring dedication to truth and knowledge. And we thank Professor Syiemlieh himself for his immense contribution to the growth and vision of the Assam Don Bosco University. It is therefore a matter of great pride and gratitude that one of the pillars of our university governance is now nationally recognized with such an esteemed award. His achievement is a reflection of the values we aspire for in our university: a relentless pursuit of truth, a love for scholarship, and a deep commitment to the cultural and intellectual heritage of our northeastern region.
Nowadays, we so comfortably identify through some formulas minimum required persons and it's a fantastic research. In those days, Professor, as a young research scholar with their vibrancy and passion, in those days traveling length and breadth of Nagaland to study and publish a good publication of Catholic mission, good research, and then continued other church history of other congregations as well, through their eyes, the history of the church in Northeast India. As a true historian, not only giving secular history, but also giving religious history, putting through a very beautiful spectrum of scientific research, and in that way contributing to the total growth of people. That time itself, because of his approach, he was a person destined to be appreciated as Padma Shri Awadi. So I believe truly, when we witness such programs like this, we are showing you how you could take them as a role model to see Professor Ashoka Datta here, very important person in Shillong, founder, vice chancellor, founder, director of IIM Shillong. Even now that institution is growing, doing so well, setting on good, solid foundation. Everywhere we heard wherever Dr. Syiemlieh was there, Prof. Syiemlieh was there, the institution grew. We have to become institution builders, not individual builder at the cost of institution. This is what they stand for. When we begin to build institution, wherever we are, not taking the institution for individual growth, but building institution, together growing with institution, then you are destined to be such type of awardees that the world will recognize. So 25 years time, 30 years time, or 40 years time, there will be similar assemblies elsewhere where you will get the accolades. If you set your heart on right vibration and put a step forward in the correct direction.
The ceremony for the award was held at Rashtrapati Bhavan on 28th April this year. I am pleased to know that my attendance at the investiture ceremony came with the goodwill of many, including my family who accompanied me to Delhi, friends, the academic fraternity of the region and society at large. I am truly overwhelmed by the messages of congratulations I have received. The award of Padma Shri has come in large part following my association with the Northeastern Hill University. If my school, Dr. Graham's Homes in Kalimpong, with its motto Thara, and St. Edmund's College, Shillong, with its motto Factor non verba, deeds not words, Factor non verba, deeds not words, first nurtured and later molded me, Nehru through the Department of History with its own inspirational motto, Rise Up and Build, further shaped me as a historian, author, guide, teacher and administrator. For this I remain ever grateful to my three alma mater. I was fortunate to have taught and guided scholars in St. Edmund's College and Nehru, with academic links with several universities in the region, covering 35 years of my career and continuing this delightful experience. From among our students and scholars, we have several who have found their place in academics, in politics. Many have joined the central and state central services as their preferred profession. Many have become bankers or joined insurance companies. Several are successful entrepreneurs. It is very gratifying to see so many of the alumni of varsities in the region go ahead in their professions to become teachers, scholars of repute, and authors who have contributed in large measure to the history and culture of Northeast India. I take this occasion to mention my profound regard to all my colleagues, and in particular to 4 of my teachers and colleagues. Professor J.B. Bhattacharjee, my PhD supervisor, Professor Imdad Hussain, Professor J.P. Singh, and Professor Milton Sangma, for their caring guidance, mentorship, shared experience, and friendship given to me and my family in these many years of our interaction. My thanks to the Vice Chancellors of Nehru who encouraged and entrusted me with administrative functions. These experiences were to become useful in my tenure as Vice Chancellor at Rajiv Gandhi University and as member and later Chairman, Union Public Service Commission.